In this video, I will be going through step-by-step process of starting your print-on-demand business on Etsy using SellerPic, which is all in one platform to create professional videos and photos of your product without hiring expensive models. So here is exactly what you will learn in this video today. What is SellerPic and how exactly it can help you to start or scale your print-on-demand business on Etsy. How to generate expensive model images using AI. Also, I will explain after that how you can publish your images directly using SellerPic on Shopify and social media pages. After that, I will explain the key features of SellerPic to edit your images and also how you can edit those images in Canva as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you all know, AI is taking over e-commerce and print-on-demand businesses to new heights. And nowadays also it's much easier to start your own print-on-demand businesses where you can create your own product mockup, product images using simple tools like SellerPic to scale or start your own print-on-demand business. And especially if you are a business owner in UAE, Dubai, Saudi or anywhere in the Middle East, this software is best for you to start your own print-on-demand business. And the reason is this tool allows you to choose any type of model from the model library, and then you can showcase your product in different angles and also with different backgrounds. So first of all, go to the top link in description and sign up for SellerPic. After your sign up is complete, you will get a dashboard like this. Now if you look into this dashboard, which is very user friendly and is easy to use even for beginners. So let me show you exactly how this actually works. So basically we have two methods to create model product images, and here is how the method number 1 works. So first of all, let me explain the Nano Banana feature which SellerPic has, which has plenty of options to create your product images. If you look into that, for example, you can simply upload your product here, and after that you can provide a prompt to create specific image. Let's say if I provide a prompt, dress the model in the abaya with Arabic calligraphy prints, and then after that, once my prompt is provided and my image is uploaded, I will simply click on generate. Now if I show you the picture of the model which I have generated using NanoBeak, you can see this is the exact image we have got, and it's look like the same compared to professional photo shoot. Now even after that, I can modify that product images. Let's say I want to move the face of the model and want that model to pose in specific angle. And for that, what I can do, I can provide another prompt which the result I want exactly. Now even after that, you can see exactly it has provided the same results with my given input. Now in the same way, this also offers multiple other features. Let's say you can even showcase your product in 3D, you can change the color, or even if you have two images, you can blend them together. Let's say you have a jewelry product and you want to blend that into a model, you can basically upload your model image and then you can upload your jewelry product image. What this feature exactly will do, they will blend the images together. Now in my case, as you can see, I have uploaded two images, one is jewelry and other is model image, and you can see exactly which results I have got. The model is showcasing the exact product which I have provided. So this is the one feature which you can use. But the SellerPic also has a template feature. In template feature, as you can see, we have the different options. Now if you see, we have the advertising option, we have the branding option where you can create the logo of your brand, and then we have the fashion. Also, if you want to create your own Instagram post, you can use this feature as well. And especially if I talk about print on demand, you can see we have the 3 features. The first one is to create the mockup, and the second one is to create the print of your design. For example, if you want to create the wall art, which I will show you exactly how you can do that. And also you can create the stickers of your products as well. Now let's say if I want to create the wall art scene of my print, I will simply go here and then I will choose my print. In my case, I am going to choose this specific design which I have already created. I will simply click here and then I will upload. After that, you can enter the scene description. In my case, I am going to enter the living room, right? And after that, you can enter your product type. In my case, my product type is wall art. And once I have put all the information, after that I will click here and then it will provide me with the 4 images. Now here is the output which I have got in the 4 images. You can see all the images are in different locations and also different sizes and frames. So basically using this Nano Banana SellerPic feature, you can create professional model images of your product. So basically by using the template feature, even user with no marketing experience can generate professional level e-commerce product images or even social media professional graphics with just one click. In second method, we have the two options. Either we can create our jewelry product images, which is virtual try on accessories feature, and you can simply upload your jewelry images and select a model from library which will be wearing your exact product, or you can use the other feature which is also virtual try on feature for the apparel. Let me try the virtual try on apparel feature, which I am going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Now what you can do, you can simply select this feature, and after that you will get the four options. Now in this feature, basically you can select the suitable option for your product, right? And even after that, you will upload the image of your product. The AI will auto-detect the product images and then will place it in the exact section. For example, if your product image belongs to only top, you can see here we have the only top options, and if your product image belongs only bottom, the AI will put your product image here. And if your product is related to full body, your image will be here. You can see we have the different options. And if you have one piece garment, for example, abaya, which I am going to exactly upload here, your image will be here. Now what exactly I will do, I will go into this upload section and I will upload my image here. And after that, I can upload my own model, or even that I can choose from model library section. Now if I go into model library section, you can see we have the different filters to find exactly what you need. In my case, I need a Middle East woman, which will be wearing my exact image, which is, in my case, it's abaya. And you can see I can simply choose a model using this filter section. And even you can also input a prompt to find the exact model you are looking for. Now after using the filter, what I will do, I will select this model and then I will click on confirm. So in my case, I want the model to wear this exact outfit until that specific area, right? Because my image is a full piece garment. And you can see the purple area. Here is where our product will be displayed. So what you can do is, I will simply go here in the adjust section, and then I will choose the brush. So basically why you are selecting the brush is to brush that specific area which is missing in that specific model, and your product will be displayed completely. Now after brushing that specific area, now you can confirm and let's try. So now after that, you can see it has provided 4 results and it looks like an exact model wearing my product. Now basically if I go into comparison, and you can see how my product looks before and how it's looking just right now. So using this basically AI feature, it will help you to increase your store conversion rates and also will boost your sales. So once your image is generated, what you can do exactly, you can use this feature to edit or replace or remove the background of your product, which in my case for my bedding designs I have done already, and you can see the better results which I have got. So let's say for example, if I want to replace the background with a city or showcase my product model wearing it outside, first I will go to the background replacer section, and this AI tool basically will detect my product background. You can see it's scanning. After that, you can choose one from already existing backgrounds, or even you can provide your own prompt to create one. Now let's say in my case, if I provide a prompt, set the background to a modern Dubai home scene with warm and soft lighting. And once I click on generate, you can see it has provided me with 4 results, and I think this one looks more perfect. You can see this is the perfect image which I can use for my product. So after editing or creating your image, what you can do exactly, you can download that image in 4K. By downloading that image in 4K, you will get the better results of your products, and it will not be blurry once zoomed in. You can see I am zooming full and my image quality is the same as it is. Now before I show you how you can publish your product directly on Shopify or social media pages, let me show you exactly some of the more features it does have. Now after your image is downloaded, you can even swap the model face by going in this section. Okay, simply upload the image here which we have just created, and after that you can choose a model from here, and even you can upload your own model as I told you earlier. So this is the one best feature which you can use for your products to change the model face. The second most powerful feature is the pose changer, which can showcase your products in different poses. And you can see in the right column we have all the poses in which you can exactly display your product. Now these are some of the poses which I will simply choose. Let's say I choose this one and then this one, this one. After choosing your poses, you can click on generate. So after some time, you can see these are the beautiful results which I have got. So once you have downloaded or created your product images, you can publish them directly on Shopify and social media pages. What exactly you can do, you can go into this option and you can click on publish. After that, you can link your TikTok, Instagram and Facebook using this publish feature. So by linking your account in a single click, you will be able to publish them directly on your all social media pages. So after your model image is created, you can also create your product offer as well using Nano Banana feature. Just go back and then upload the image here which you just created. After uploading the image, you can provide a prompt, create a marketing poster for Black Friday featuring a prominent text overlay stating 20% discount on a visually appealing product image or background. And after that, just click here and your image will be created. Now this is the promotion which we just created and you can see it is featuring our Black Friday offer. And this AI feature also has another feature to edit your images in Canva, which I told you most of my videos. Canva is the best tool to edit all of your product images. And let me show you exactly how you can do that even better using this AI tool. Now what you can do exactly, you can go here and then you can click on edit in Canva. So whichever image you want to edit, you can simply click, and so our photo is now opened in Canva. So in Canva, we have basically 4 powerful features which we can use to make your product photos even much more better and professional. And let me show you exactly how you can do that. Now the first option is to add a text in your own language. For example, let's say I want to add a text here about a product discount or any other offer in any other language, for example in Arabic. What I can do exactly, I will go into text section and then I will choose this specific style which I want to use in my images. You can choose any of the style which you want to use. Let's say I choose this specific option, and after that I will mention the text. I will simply paste here. And now after adding the text, you can adjust the space between the letters by going here, and it will basically adjust the space between the letters and lines. And also you can use this specific effect section to make it round by choosing this specific option. You can see I have selected this option and now you can see my text is rounded perfectly. The second option in the Canva is to add different element in your images. So what you can do exactly, you can simply go into element section and then you can add any of the elements which are related to your product images. Let's say if I search here for abaya, and after that you can see I have plenty of images and graphics which I can add into my own product images. And the third most powerful feature is to remove the background, which also SellerPic offers, but here you can upload your own background. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply, you can choose any of the image which you want to replace the background, and you can go into here, remove background section, and after removing the background, you have different options. You can either choose the background from the element section, or even you can scroll down and Canva has a special background section in which you can even search that, or even you can find different images and backgrounds which you can use exactly in your product design. And the last thing is to edit the image to showcase your main products in a much highlighted way. And then it can be done by going into this edit section. So in editing, you have the different options where you can even warm or even put the light on your product images. So there are plenty of features even you can use to edit your product images inside Canva. Now this SellerPic AI tool also has a AI video tool, and let me show you exactly how this exactly works to create the video of your product using just images. So basically I will create a video of our product using the same model image which we have created. Just go into this image to video option and upload your image here. Now after uploading the image, you can choose the tool which you would like to use. So basically in my case, I am going to use Google VO3, which is the best feature you can use to create product videos using your model images. Now after choosing the Google VO3, what I will do, I can provide the right prompt, and in this case, I am going to use this exact prompt. So after entering my prompt, you can also create a sound in your video by selecting this specific option, and let's try to create a video of our product. And here is the final result of our video, and you can see how it exactly looks like a real model showcasing our product.
إلا طايمة مسان اللي بديت أني تجلت بين المتكاي الأخرين كومنتاريت أمشال برهن لفيع مسبن فالمتى بمهتمت بالودهن تبر.
Now crucially, VO3 uses the generated images at the start frame. And that's why the video animation is incredibly accurate and consistent. And if you look into the video, the model face and product details are preserved perfectly in the motion. And this video specifically generated by VO3 is not just a silent footage. If you look into that video, it's automatically generated a fitting audio track to go with it, and also making it complete to ready to post video for Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Now this tool is basically ultimately time saver. From a single product image prompt, you can create a full video ad of your product. And basically it's created just in seconds, right? And it's create the entire content creation loop for your product. So to recap, whether you have your own technical team or not, this tool exactly helps you to generate Middle Eastern AI try-on images, which lets you to tweak them to customer likings and post to all platforms with just one click. So basically you can use this tool from designing to listing in under only 10 minutes. So to use this tool for your print on demand business, just go to the top link in description and sign up for SellerPic to make your Etsy print on demand business thrive in Middle East. Now as I told you earlier, basically it's easy to use regardless of API integration or design experience, and it does post automatically on all major platforms including Shopify, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. Just try this seamless workflow yourself via the link in description and start creating beautiful and real images and videos of your products. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to start your print on demand business today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, and do comment if you have any questions. Bye bye.